Managing sensitive research data at ACU. Does your research data contain sensitive information? If it falls into one of these categories, personal data, medical data, ecological data, your data could be used to identify an individual, species or location that is vulnerable. So what is best practice for managing this data, and can it be shared? Sensitive research data can be shared safely provided that the data has been anonymised and you have also obtained informed written consent. Data anonymisation processes involve removing, substituting, distorting, generalising or aggregating any identifiers in the collected data. The management of sensitive research data is best planned early in your project. Questions for consideration include: where will the data be stored during the project? What anonymisation strategies will need to be applied? Will there be any access restrictions? And how will the data be stored in the long term? The ACU Research Data Management Toolkit is a good starting point. From the library webpage, hover over the Research tab at the top of the page and click on Research Data Management Toolkit. The first option when you scroll down is a downloadable template for a Research Data Management Plan. Further down the page, under Plan, you'll find a section on sensitive data. Sensitive data should always be kept in a password-protected location, such as the ACU shared drives. It should never be kept in services like Dropbox, put onto external drives, USBs, or on SharePoint. This is a sample spreadsheet of research data from a survey involving human participants. To share this data, personal details, such as names, would need to be replaced with an anonymous identifier. The document containing the key to participants' identity would then be retained in a secure, password-protected location. An important note: just because data is de-identified does not mean it is anonymised. In some instances, the identity of an individual can be extrapolated from other data. In many instances, it is better to both de-identify and aggregate the data before sharing. Ecological research data should also be carefully considered before release. This table shows how the locality coordinates have been modified according to the level of sensitivity of the species. The latitude and longitude of the night parrot are given to precise decimal points, as compared to only a general description of locality for the King's Lomantia plant. If you need further information on managing sensitive research data, please contact your librarian.